Hey everyone, it's Mickey Spendlove. Today I'm going to show you how to drain your water heater. It's something important to do. They say to do it about once a year. The main reason is to make sure that you're getting rid of any sediment that's falling to the bottom of the water heater that could over time cause rusting, so you want to get rid of some of that. So it's actually a pretty simple process to do. First thing, obviously, you want to make sure that your water heater is turned off. I turned mine off a couple hours ago just so that to help with the temperature of the water coming out. Hopefully it'll be a little less hot than if we had just turned it off. From there, you want to definitely make sure that your water intake is turned off. I like to turn off both of them, but just when it's running parallel, that means it's on, so I'm going to make sure that it's in the perpendicular off position, and I'm going to go ahead and do the water out as well. Alright, so from there, furnace is off, water intake's off. What you need to do is make sure that you have a place for your water to drain out of. You'll need a hose. Make sure the end is pointed toward the drain. And then this other end is just going to attach on here. Make sure you have a good seal. And then you're going to want to allow the water to come out by grabbing your flathead screwdriver and turning. Okay, I heard a little bit right there. Now it's not going to come gushing out just yet because we need to allow some pressure relief. We need to allow for some air to come in. So there should be a pressure relief valve somewhere. Mine's up here. I went ahead and put a bucket underneath because some water may come out. And I'm just going to lift that up. Okay, might make some noises. And now that I've done that, I can see my water draining out of my water heater. So we'll just let that set until the majority of it is out. Alright, it's been about 2 hours and it's been pretty steadily draining, but I think it's about to the point where we can go ahead and turn off the drain and fill it back up. Now that it's pretty low, it's probably a good idea to kick up a little bit of that sediment if you can. So all you need to do is come to the water line and turn it on in a couple short bursts, and hopefully that'll get a little of that sediment kicked back up to be able to drain. So. Alright, so I'd let that drain a little bit more, but we're going to go ahead and turn it off. So I need to grab my screwdriver and go ahead and close up our valve. So now that we have it closed, we'll go ahead and turn our pressure valve back off. Just that snap. We actually did end up with quite a bit of water down there, so definitely a good idea to get a bucket. And you're just going to turn both valves back on. Alright, so it's going to start filling back up. Definitely want to wait at least a little while until there's a decent amount of water in there before you turn your water heater back on, and then you're good for a while, until next year.